Preparations continue for the opening of classes on June 3rd. Soldiers are among those involved in ensuring that classrooms are ready to receive students on opening day. Dina Pagibitan tells us more.
Soldiers are engaged in different bayanihan operation, this time joining in the preparation for the opening of classes on June 3. The soldiers have joined hands with teachers, parents, students, and other organizations in Brigada Eskwela program, during which classrooms are repainted and cleaned and desks and tables are repaired.
Manpower assistance tulad ng pagpipintura, carpentry, tapos inaayos po namin yung mga lababo, kung ano po yung dapat ipaayos. Lahat ng pinapaayos nila na mayroon kami ay aming binibigay.
Brigada Eskwela started last May 20 and will last until May 25. The Philippine Army assured its full cooperation in the program. Among the student volunteers were Jolo, Jom, and Elvin, who believed that it is important to participate in Brigada Eskwela.
Kasi po, nasa bahay lang naman po kami. So, imbis po na sayangin po namin yung oras po namin sa pagko-computer lang po, cellphone, edi, mabuti na po, tumulong na lang po kami dito sa school.
Yun po, volunteer po para po sa ikakaganda ng school.
The Philippine Army has an appeal to the students this coming school opening.
Doon naman sa mga papasok na mga estudyante ay dapat ay kung ano po yung mga naayos namin na mga dito sa school na to ay huwag naman ayusin, alagaan tulad ng yung mga nasirang pintuan at tulad ng mga vandalism doon sa mga pader ay huwag naman ulitin yon.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.